Picture this. You hop into a spaceship, point it in any direction, and just fly. No stops, no turning back. The question is, would you ever reach a wall, an edge, or would you fly on forever? This is one of the oldest questions humans have ever asked, and right now, we still don't have a definitive answer, but we do have some wild theories, and the truth is stranger than you'd expect. The universe is roughly 13.8 billion years old. Since the Big Bang, it's been expanding, and light has been racing across it ever since. But here's the catch. Light has a speed limit. Nothing travels faster. So the only parts of the universe we can actually see are the parts whose light has had time to reach us. That gives us a bubble called the observable universe, with us sitting right in the middle. The edge of that bubble sits about 45 billion light years away. Inside it, around 2 trillion galaxies, each one holding billions of stars. But beyond that edge, we have no idea, and that's where things get really interesting. The universe might be finite, limited in size. But here's the weird part. Finite doesn't mean there's a wall somewhere. Think about an ant crawling on an orange. From the ant's perspective, the surface stretches out in every direction. But we know the orange is a sphere. Finite, no edge. The ant just can't see the curve. Now scale that up. What if the universe curves back on itself in a higher dimension, a hypersphere, so that if you flew in a straight line long enough, you'd eventually return to Earth from the other direction? No walls, no edge, but still finite. Some scientists thought a hypersphere was too simple, so they proposed something even stranger, a hyperdonut. In a hyperdonut universe, space wraps around, but unevenly. Travel in one direction, and you loop back quickly, go another way, and it takes far longer. This creates a cosmic Hall of Mirrors effect. You could look up and see the same galaxy in 2 different parts of the sky, at different points in its history. Watch a star being born in one direction, and see that same star die on the opposite side of the sky. Here's the other option. The universe is infinite. No edge, no center. Space goes on forever in every direction. Most of our working cosmological models actually assume this. And if space is truly infinite, filled with matter, following the same laws of physics everywhere, then statistically, everything that can happen does happen. Somewhere, including you. Matter is made of particles, and particles can only be arranged in a finite number of ways, even if that number is unimaginably large. If space is infinite and full of matter, those arrangements will eventually repeat. Somewhere out there, impossibly far away, there could be an exact copy of you. Same memories, same face. Watching this exact video right now, you'll never meet them. But if the universe is truly infinite, mathematically speaking, they might exist. So is the universe infinite? Honestly, we don't know, and we may never know. What we do know is this: our observable universe alone contains more stars than grains of sand on every beach on Earth combined. It's already more vast, more strange, and more beautiful than any human mind can fully grasp. Maybe that's enough, or maybe somewhere out there, a version of you already knows the answer.